I'm not playing with that water and lightning no more. I'm done. This rain is absolutely ridiculous. It's everywhere. My cue to go inside. There's way too much water. My entire yard is like flooded. Like the whole thing. I don't think I've ever seen it so flooded, but my husband did cut the grass yesterday, so it's really short. So maybe I'm just able to see it because the grass is much shorter than normal. Or the puddles are much higher than normal. I'm not sure. I don't know. But that is a lot of dang water. And the backyard's no better. That's the doormat right there.
A doormat?
Yeah, you gotta watch out, baby. So, the door is right here. Water right up there. Gotta love those August rainstorms. They're much stronger than the July rainstorms. Let's go out here and see too. Going back inside this. That shit was right outside. Something smelled burnt now. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't like this thunder and lightning.
Why?
The way it sounds is frightening because it don't love me. It's lightning. Ah! Alright, let's try it again. This water, this is the most water I think I've ever seen in my yard since I've been here, and there goes the lightning again. Alright, come on. I'm tired of this lightning. But this is so much water. It's so hard to demonstrate. Just look at how high the water is to this little thing. I guess you can kind of see. Pretty deep though. Alright, let's see if I can go outside. Oh, I'm scared of lightning. People have been getting struck by lightning a whole lot more frequently lately, it seems. Alright, it's okay. Okay, I'm not playing with that water and lightning no more. I'm done. All right, so anyways, there's like 4 inches of water in my backyard. Yeah, there's a lot of water. This is the paper towel because I had to dry the camera off because it's so wet. But lightning keeps striking literally in my neighborhood right outside. Like, yeah, not fun. So I'm not going back outside. But dang, man, this is a lot of water. Like a lot. I've literally never seen this much water in my backyard. Which my yard is like the lowest compared to all my neighbors. Because I get all of their water. But this is a lot, okay? Like a lot. Wow. I'm tired of all this rain. All of July it rained. Now August is looking to be the same. It's nothing but rain. I like the rain though, but I can do without the thunder and lightning. They have all those old wives' tales where like you're not supposed to go take a shower during a thunderstorm, or you're not supposed to talk on like those old-fashioned landline phones during a thunderstorm. Well, there is a new fear that has been instilled in my brain, and that is now no longer using the toilet when it is a thunderstorm, because I recently seen a lightning strike through the ventilation in the bathroom and completely destroy a toilet seat. And not seat, like the whole toilet, like the whole thing. So I have a new fear when it comes to thunderstorms. And that's go to the restroom as quickly as possible if it's thunderstorming. No showers if it's thunderstorming. And I don't have to worry about the landline thing, but maybe don't use your cell phone if it's plugged into the wall. But yeah, this is great. All right, it's much better now. It's still raining, but not as hard. Alright, all of the water has receded. And I cut all of the watermelon vines down and I harvested my watermelon. You want to have a look at it? It looks amazing. It looks much larger inside of the refrigerator than under the table. Because when I put it in here, let me tell you, I was like, wow, where did we buy that watermelon from? And then I remembered, I grew this watermelon. Look at this watermelon. Oh my goodness, it looks like something that you would have bought at the store. It sounds good too. And it's real heavy. I can't wait to cut it open. Okay, let's look at this watermelon. Oh, it is so heavy. I'm gonna have to put it on the scale to see how heavy it is. But look at this yellow spot right there. You see it? That means it sat for a very long time in the same spot, and it should be a really good, juicy watermelon. It sounds good too.
Where is the table? Mom, where is the table? Where is it?
Delicious. Can't wait to try it. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. This would be good for, watch out, I don't want to hit you with it, for some exercises. Oh. I don't know if that's an actual exercise. I'm no expert. but it would be good to utilize as some weights. So school just started back up in the area that I live in. Yesterday was the day, or the day before yesterday, within this week. Today is Wednesday. This week, I don't know if it was Monday or Tuesday, the kids went back to school. We're not starting until like a week from now. I am reporting attendance in a few days, but we don't have to leave the house like everyone else in our area had to do today to go get their children from school. The streets are flooded. They really are flooded everywhere, and I am so thankful and so grateful to not have to leave the house, especially on days like today when the drainage system backs up. There's too much water and it just kind of makes everything technically underwater. I'm just glad and thankful that I did not have to go out in this awful weather today.